Räägi, Elina, kuidas te Mattiase diagnoosini üldse jõudsite, et kui Mattias
Elina,
sündis,
could you tell me how you got
mis
to
sulle öeldi või
Matthias's
kust te üldse
diagnosis?
märkasite,
What were you
et
told when
Mattias ei ole
Matthias
veel
was
päris hea?
born?
Ega
How did
kohe
you
alguses ei
notice
saanudki aru,
he was
meil läks
uncommon?
tegelikult peaaegu pool aastat, et
Not
esialgu ta
initially,
oli
I
ju
didn't. It
emapiimast
took
saadud
roughly half a
antikehade peal,
year.
aga jäi
Initially, he was
haigeks, esialgu
consuming
tuli
antibodies
nohaau,
from
siis
his
tuli köha,
mother's milk,
ei paranenud ära,
but
läks
then
ainult
the diseases
hullemaks,
struck.
tekkis
Illnesses,
hingamisraskus,
coughs,
tulime kliinikusse ja
colds,
siin läks ka tegelikult
then
korra kuu,
respiratory
kaks, enne kui
difficulties.
leiti üles, et
We
mis
came to
asi
the
see
clinic,
tekitaja
and
üldse
it
on.
took them and
Ja
it
siis
took a
leiti, et
month
on
or maybe two
tsütomegaloviirus
to find out what was
ja
causing
see
it.
lõi siis häirekellad
The virus was
käima,
cytomegalovirus,
miks lapsel üldse
and
selline
that's
viirus
where the
selliseid
ball
sümptomeid
started
tekitab, et
rolling.
see on
How
meil
come
kõigil või
this
praktiliselt
virus
igalühel.
is causing such severe
Ja eks siis
symptoms in
sealt
this
hakati
child?
uuriti siis
And
meeletult
that's
palju
how we
analüüse
started. There
ja
were
mingi hetk jõuti järeldule,
endless
et immuunsüsteem
tests
ei tööta
and
nii, nagu ta peaks
samples
töötama.
taken,
Et
and at
sellist
some point
lõplikku
they
diagnoosi
concluded
siit
the
Eestis
immune
tegelikult ei
system
saanudki.
wasn't working the way it should.
Et lihtsalt
We
saime aru,
did
et on
not
immuunpuudulikkus, oli
obtain
mingi suur
our
probleem
final diagnosis in
ja siis
Estonia.
sealt edasi
We
suunati
were,
meid tegelikult
it
ikka
was clear that
Newcastlisse
there was a
edasisteks uuringuteks, mis
significant
kulmineerus sellega,
immune
et
system
tegelikult me olime
issue,
seal lõpuks aasta aega
and we were
ravil
sent on to
ja
Newcastle, where we
nii
spent
ta
a
läks.
year receiving
Just tahtsin
treatment.
küsida, et kuidas üldse see võimalus teil tekkis, et te saite Newcastlisse, et see, ma saan aru,
I
et
wonder,
tekkis lihtsalt tänu
how
sellele, et
did you
siin
get the
ei
chance to go
jõutud
to
õige diagnoosini
Newcastle?
kohe.
Was it
Jah,
simply
et ma arvan,
because
et üks
the
osa oli kindlasti
diagnosis
see ja
wasn't
teine osa oli
obtained
see,
locally?
et doktor Tiia Vooril, see, kes
Yes,
oli
I think
Mattiase
this
raviarst
is
siin,
one
et tal oli
reason.
eelnevalt
And
see
another is
Newcastli
that
kogemus,
Matthias's
positiivne
treating
kogemus olemas
physician,
ja
Pia
eks
Voor,
tema nagu
had a
väga palju
previous
surus
positive
seda, et
experience
ikkagi
working
minna
with Newcastle, and
spetsialiseerunud
it was
keskusesse
her pushing
tegelema
us
nii.
to
Et kui Tiiat poleks
address a
olnud,
specialized
siis ma usun,
center.
et tõenäoliselt me ei oleks
Without
saanud ka.
Tia,
Ma
I
enne
do
siia
not
arutasin,
believe
siis sa
we would
ütlesid,
have
et siis
got
sul
to go
võib-olla ei
there.
oleks Mattiast täna ka, kui sa poleks sinna saanud.
Ma
When we
kahtlustan
were
küll jah,
walking
üsna
before, you
kindlasti,
told me
et
you
seal
believed then
tegelikult
you
läks
wouldn't
neil
have
ka 4
Matthias
kuud
right now.
aega, enne kui nad kindla
I believe
diagnoosi
so,
paika
yes.
said
In
ja
Newcastle, it
nii
took
palju
4
ma
months
ei
to
ole geneetik,
establish the
aga nii palju, kui
definitive
ma aru sain, siis
diagnosis.
et
I'm no
71 erinevat
geneticist.
mutatsiooni
What I
sellel
gather is
ADA
that
puudulikkusel oli
the
varem tuntud
88
ja Mattias oli siis
there
72.
were
Et võib-olla
71
sellepärast
known
siin
88
Eestis
deficiencies
esialgu ka tegelikult ju
before,
üles ei
and
leitud.
Matthias was the 72nd.
Et lihtsalt
And
üks uus
that might be
mutatsioon.
why it wasn't
Mis
found in
seal
Estonia. It was a
Newcastlis
brand
Mattiasega
new
tehti?
Oh jumal,
mutation.
mis seal ei tehtud.
What did they do with
Kõike
Matthias in
tehti. Väga
Newcastle?
lahe oli see, et
What did they not
kohe
do?
alguses pandi
They
meile
did.
ju meeletu
Yeah,
meeskond, et erinevad geneetikud, raviarst
did
oli
everything.
meil Andrew
A
Kenneri,
team was assembled.
kellega me
Andrew
siiamaani
Kennery was
suhtleme
our
tegelikult ja
treated
hästi soojad
physician. We
mälestused.
still stay in
Aga mis oli
touch.
lahe, oli pandi ikkagi füsioterapeutide meeskond,
There was
toitumisnõustajad,
also a team of
kõik otsast
therapists,
lõpuni, et kuidas
physiotherapists, nutritionists,
üsna ruttu oli selge
all
see, et
aspects
see
of
keemiaravi ja
treatment.
uudi siirdamine tuleb, vahet ei ole, kas nad leiavad
It
diagnoosi
was
või ei leia,
quickly
aga immuunsüsteem ei tööta.
obvious that we
Ja
were
siis
heading towards
see, kuidas nagu
bone marrow
last üritati
transplantation and
saada nii
chemotherapy,
maksimaalselt
no matter
terveks
whether
selleks
we reach
keemiaravi
a
momendiks, et see
clear
oli päris lahe.
conclusion as to the diagnosis or not.
Spetssöödad,
And
füsioteraapiad,
they
järjepidevalt
attempted
aasta
to
aega,
get the child as
ilma
well,
selleta
as
ma
healthy
arvan,
as
et
possible
poleks
to
sealt nii head
do the
tulemust võib-olla tulnud.
treatment.
Kaua
There
te
were
olite
special
Newcastlis?
nutrition
aasta.
physiotherapy for a
Ja
year.
siis siirdamiseni
Without this, I
läks,
don't believe
diagnoos
the
tuli
result
4
would have
kuu
been
pealt
this good.
ja siirati,
So we
ma arvan,
spent
siis
a
kui
year
laps sai
there,
aastaseks või? Jah.
and the
Et 6.
transplant
jaanuar on tal
was
uue
at the
sünnipäev
time
ja
the
siirdamise kuupäev
child
oli 24
turned
jaanuar.
1 year of age.
Ja
His
siis
birthday is
olimegi
January the
juunikuuni
6th,
praktiliselt.
and the
Mis tahan
transplant
öelda,
was
et tagasi
January
tulite,
the
siis ka oli juba
24th.
ilmsoe.
Jah.
And
Ja
we remained
tagasitulek
in
on
the
veel ju
UK
see häda,
until
et
June.
Covidi esimene
So it
laine
was
tuli.
warm while you return
Et see tegi
outside.
korraks ikka väga
Indeed.
õõnsaks, et värske
What's more, our
immuunsüsteemiga laps
return
on, et kuidas me
coincided
Eestisse
with
saame.
the
Et siin
first
juba
wave of COVID.
plaan B oli see, et liinilennuga muidugi ei tule,
It was a
aga et
huge
äkki ämm
concern
võtab matka auto
returning the
Eestist,
immunocompromised
pakib selle
child
toitu
to
täis ja siis
Estonia
tiksume mööda
during
Euroopat,
a pandemic. We
nii-öelda
were
siis
even
enam-vähem
considering taking a
ohutus keskkonnas.
camper van and having a road trip throughout
Aga
Europe
tänu
more or less
lastefondile
safely.
ju läks meil palju
But
paremini.
thanks to the Children's
Jaa,
Foundation,
see
we,
eralennu.
an easier way
Tuli
was
meile otse
found.
Newcastlisse järgi ja tõi
Uh,
meid oma eralennukiga otse
The
Tartusse.
private
Räägi,
pilot
kuidas
picked us
Mati
up
seal
in
nüüd läheb,
Newcastle and
sellest on
brought
nüüd
us directly to
möödas
Tartu.
5 aastat.
5 aastat, jah.
How is Mattias doing
Mattias
now?
on
It's been
täitsa
5 years,
tavaline
hasn't
laps
it? Indeed, 5 years.
täis, teeb
Mattias
pahandust
is a
hästi palju.
perfectly ordinary
Väga
child,
tore on, väga
full of
südamlik on.
mischief.
Arste kardab
He's lovely.
meeletult, et ma ei
He's
tea, kas ta siis
heartfelt.
mäletab midagi
He's
sellest ajast
terrified
või
of doctors. I don't know whether
ühesõnaga,
it's some sort of
arstidega mul
memories
see
he
suhe
might
nagu
have
väga
from
hea
that
ei ole, aga
time,
muidu
or
on täiesti terve laps, selles mõttes
in
kõik
any case,
viirused,
he
kõik
has
haigused,
no
kõik
love
mis
of
saab, kohe ilusti
physicians.
läbi,
He
immuunsüsteem töötab,
He
mingisugust
goes through all the
äratõukereaktsiooni
normal
enam pole olnud,
colds and
ei tahaks
viruses
tulla ka
a
enam.
child would get.
Et selles
There has
suhtes on
been no
hästi, et saame
tissue
selle
rejection reaction.
seikluse siis nii-öelda
There
panna
shouldn't be
selja taha
anymore.
loodetavasti.
täna ja
So
praegu
I believe we
haige.
can leave this
Jah,
behind us.
on mingisugune
Today Mattias is
viirus
ill.
lasteaias.
Indeed, he's ill.
Perearst
He
arvas, et
picked up
oleks
a
mõistlik
virus
teha
in the
väike
kindergarten, and
antibiootikukuur, et
our GP
bakteriaalne nohu on
prescribed
tekkinud.
a brief
Lihtsalt kuu aega
antibiotic
juba luriseb
course.
ja köhib ja
He's
aga
been
näha on juba,
snotty
et see
for a
paar
month.
päeva on teinud ta tegelikult praktiliselt terveks.
But we can see the results after a couple of days of treatment.
No see oli pikk selles mõttes.
But how did recovery from the
sümptomeid
transplantation
palju,
go?
põhiliselt just keemiaravi pärast.
It took time.
Ja noh, kõige
There were
hullem,
many
millega me tegelikult
symptoms,
tegelesime
mainly
peaaegu 2
because of
aastat
the
pärast
chemotherapy.
siirdamist oli
And
tuberkuloos.
the hardest part
Sest
that we
meie
handled
lemmikid
2 years
saavad
after
kõik
the
tuberkuloosi
transplantation
vaktsiini, on ju, kohe
was
sünnitusmajas
tuberculosis.
ja see on elus vaktsiin ja
Our
lapsel immuunsüsteemi ju ei
neonates
olnud,
are all
tuberkuloosibakteril
given
oli väga hea
TB
paljuneda igal
vaccines
pool. Nii et keha
right
ei
at the hospital
tuvastanud ja
after
siis
birth.
pärast siirdamist, kui ta
But
immuunsüsteem tuvastas
the immune system of Mattias was so weak that it did not detect the vaccine at the time. And after the immune system, after the transplantation kicked into gear, things turned ugly for a moment. Luckily, it remained localized in his shoulder. The body put up a significant fight, but thankfully all vital organs remained
Kui
untouched.
tihti sa oled hirmu pidanud tundma Mattiase pärast?
How often have you been afraid for Mattias? What mother would not be afraid for their child? I believe that my fear today is similar to all mothers about their children. But a year, even more, after the transplantation, there was still fear against the rejection, against any possible issues. We were always ready to react. Our treating physician here in Estonia checked up on us often. But after a certain period of time, we relaxed. It was obvious that everything was working.
Väga pikalt. On see sinu hinnangul ka siuke professionaalne
You spent a long time in Newcastle. In your opinion, do you think this is a professional environment where immunodeficiency is well understood? Very much so. I haven't been to other centers globally, but the way we were taken care of, the importance of the way the patient was important to the treating physician there was top. The physician, Andrew Kennery, is a physician as well as a leading researcher. He researches transplantation methodology and immunodeficiencies, immune diseases. I'm a scientist myself, and we had many interesting discussions with him. And you still do, don't you? Yeah, yes, indeed. He promised to visit us in Estonia. He would love to see white winter. Hello, Tia. Hello, everybody. I'm strong like a superstar, like an icicle, and I got a teddy bear. Great, thank you.